Hey guys, what is going on? This is more of a joke video, and please, by all means, do not do this if you want to stay friends with whoever you give this tune to. But a couple of years ago I had the idea of making an unmixable tune, as in unbeat matchable for a DJ to play out. So basically what a DJ does is he tries to match the tempo of one tune to another, and then one of the tunes is mixed into the other whilst beat matched. So that also means you have to match the tempo. Now, matching the tempo once you've actually got the tempo of the two tracks is relatively as simple as adjusting a fader, basically. Especially with nowadays modern DJ mixing software and stuff. But it is actually, there's a neat little trick if you want to troll your friends, where you can basically give them a tune and dare them to beat match it, and they will never be able to do it, and this is how you do it. So what we do is I feel like such a, well, I'm not allowed to use profanity on my channel anymore, but I don't feel very nice doing this. Basically what it involves is a tiny bit of tempo automation in a really, really mean way. So here we are at a tempo of 174, and I'm going to put one marker here with a value of 174. That should be at position. Basically, it doesn't really matter. I mean, but let's just give it 32 bars or something. I don't even care, and then put it to 176 or 175 even. And what that will do is basically the track will never remain at a constant tempo, but the perceived tempo, the perceived speed of the track is always going to be, the same for the audience. And this will result in a track that gradually always gets out of sync no matter what you try to do, because it's next to humanly impossible to be able to compensate for that. And then if you want to be extra mean towards the end of a track, you can go back to 174 and then as we watch the tempo automation here, you will see that it ever so gradually shifts upwards. And I would like to put the challenge out there. If there's anybody who actually is able to beat match something like this, please do send me examples. But yeah, it's a nice prank to pull in your friends, but yeah, please don't take this video ever so seriously. I just thought it was a fun idea to throw out there for some good fun among DJ friends and rivals. So with that, I remain Dorancode, and I say Dorancode out.